Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Ford Focus MK3 generation 2012 to 2017-18, and we'll show you guys how to find the fuses for your automatic transmission. Now, you have 3 fuses that control your automatic transmission, not just one, so if you have a problem with the transmission, always check those. In the meantime guys, we have more than 200 videos on this car, so please subscribe. Videos will be made all the time, and if you need help with anything, just drop a comment below the video and we'll try to make a specific video for your problem. So let me show you now which 3 fuses are for the automatic transmission. So first thing, open the hood. That's where the fuses are located. Now we need to go ahead and remove that fuse cover here. Just pull that clip towards the back. Okay, and pull it out. On the back side, you can find out the fuses are numbered. You can see like that. The first fuse that we need to check is fuse number 15. Then it will be this fuse right here, in our case 25 amps. Always double check your manual, because otherwise, okay, your car might be different model in year and require a different fuse. So you can usually check the elements and see if they're burned, but in our case I'll remove it because I'll test it with a multimeter. Okay, that way we'll know for sure if it's burned. Sometimes you cannot tell. If it's hidden, it's hard to see. So I'll get a screwdriver. Oh, it wouldn't be the correct way to do it, but that's what we do. There is a special tool. The fuse puller does not work on the big fuses. In our case, check yours, it might work. In our case, I couldn't get it to work. Okay, and I'll gently start, okay, prying the fuse out a little bit. Okay, this thing is stuck really big time. So this is the first fuse. Okay, you can see this is the copper element inside. You have 2 of them. It looks like it's not burned. We'll double test, check it with a multimeter here. So what I'll do, I'll set it to continuity here. So now if the fuse is good, you're going to see it's like touching these 2 elements, because it will make connection, and you'll go close to 0 and hear a beep. If it's burned, you'll just stay at 1. It's like there is no connection between the 2 elements. So check it out now. Our fuse is good guys. So this is the first fuse that we need to check. Now we have 2 more fuses that we need to check. Okay, next one will be fuse 26. So on the cover here, this is fuse number 26. So if we come down here now, okay, you can actually see the numbers 26 right in front of the fuse, and we'll be able to use the fuse puller on this one. Okay, just grab your fuse puller, pull it out. And it's a 15 amp fuse in our case. Put the thing on top, squish in on the front side, pull it out. Okay, this is the fuse. You can again see the element looks good, everything looks fine. Just to verify that it's not burnt, I'll do the same test to it. Perfect, this is good as well. And then we have one more fuse, which is fuse number 38. Okay, in our case it's this fuse right here. This is the 3rd fuse. This is for the engine control module and for the transmission as well. And this one is a good fuse as well. We're going to test it to make sure everything's fine, because sometimes you can be in a hurry and not see something correct. So those 3 fuses guys are for your transmission. Hopefully the video will be helpful to some of you guys. Please hit that subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.